continue. When to bake, right? So we're talking about challah, when to bake. It is the best to knead the bake and challah on Erev Shabbos. So the best, of course, Friday. I mean, the fresh bread. What can you compare to the fresh bread? Nothing can be compared, right? If this is not possible, so usually I will tell you from experience, it's not possible. I mean, person who has a lot of free time, yeah, it's possible. But for other people, we just freeze. We would bake and freeze and then warm up. Unfortunately, that's what most of the people do. If this is not possible, then the challah should be baked on Thursday. Okay, preferably on Thursday night. So when Thursday nights, it's already Friday, right? If the above is not possible, the challah may even baked in the beginning of the week. It should be noted that the baking challah on Shabbos is not an absolute obligation. I mean, you can go and buy. Right? And if it is difficult for a woman to bake her own challah, she may buy them from the bakery store. So this lady, this poor lady, she has to clean the whole house because her husband is working, right? And she has kids. And now if he's going to ask her to bake challah, he's already crossing the line. If she says that's what I want to do, there is no problem. But basically, one of the very important principles, we cannot be, as said by Rav Israel Salanter. I apologize. I remember. So Rav Israel Salanter Zatzal, who started the Musar movement, so he said you cannot be religious or extra religious on the backs of the other in the expense of your family or other people. So you want to do extra, okay, do on your own. So you want to be extra strict and bake your own house, you bake. So don't dump on your wife that she's going to bake, right?